Hey guys, Miss Tiffany here. Today we're going to work on our long and short vowel sounds. So that's what we're going to do first, and then we're going to work on worksheet number 239. So let's get to our vowels. All right, so remember, if there's a smiley face above the A, then that means it's a short sound. And if there's a straight line across the A, that means it's a long sound. Same thing for E, I, O, and U. So let's go over the short sounds first. You ready? A says A, E says E, I says I, O says ah, and U says Now those are our short sounds. Now let's move over to our long sounds. A would say A, E would say E, I would say I, O would say O, and U would say U. So that's the difference in our short vowel sounds and our long vowel sounds. So now we're going to get to our worksheet. And the first thing was the first thing we always do before we start our worksheet. Write your name. That's right. So let's take a minute and write your name. Remember, your letters need to be touching the line. Okay, now let's read the directions. Match the word with the correct picture. So we have to remember our two vowel rule when reading these words. So I see that there's two vowels here. So what that means, the E is going to have what? The long sound. That's right. So let's see. I'm not going to tell you the word. I want you to read the words and see if you can guess the name of what the word says and then match the picture. So I'm going to let you take a minute and do this on your own, and then we'll go back over it in a minute and work on it together to see if you got the correct answers. Okay, so take a minute. If you need to, you can pause the video and read each word and then match them to the picture. Now we're going to go back and do it together. So let's read this word. Eel, seal. Remember, we're doing our two vowel rule. The first vowel will have the long sound and the second vowel will be silent. So seal, seal. Which of these pictures is the seal? It's the bottom one, that's right. So we're gonna draw a line from the word seal to the picture of the seal. The next word says, so the I is gonna be long because it has two vowels. So kite, kite. Where's the kite? There it is, the very top. So I'm gonna draw my line to the kite at the top. Now the last word, again, the U is gonna be long, the E is gonna be silent. So mule, mule. So the only picture left is the donkey, the mule. So we're gonna draw it to the mule. And there we go. And the first page is already done. So now I want you to flip your paper over so we can work on the back side of the paper. All right, now we're gonna be counting. So it says match, color the objects. So after we finish this page, you can color. But first what we wanna do is we need to look at our numbers. So I want you to look at all 5 of these numbers, and I want you to count and see if you can find where you're going to draw the line to match them, okay? So take a minute, and I want you to match the numbers to the objects. Okay, now let's go back over it together. Let's see, the first number is number 6, that's right. So let's count and find our 6 objects. Is this number 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, that's not it. Let's see if this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nope, that's not it. Let's see if this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So we know the number 6 is going to go to the candles. So draw a line from the 6 to the candles. All right. So now our number 7. 7. Let's see if we can find 7. Is this number 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope, that's not 7. Let's see if the tulips have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It does. So we're going to draw the line from the 7 all the way to the tulips. All right, our next number is 8. 8. So let's start back at the top and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 blocks. So we're going to draw the line from the 8 to the blocks. Good job, guys. All right, now number 9. Let's see. Let's count the basketballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 basketballs, so the 9 will go to the basketballs. Draw your line to the basketballs. All right, and our last number, a 1 and 0 together, what number is that? 10, that's right. And we only have one thing left. It's the beach balls. So let's count the beach balls again, just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Way to go, guys. So we'll draw the line from the number 10 to the 10 beach balls. And that's our paper this week. So now you can go back and you can color your basketballs and your tulips and your candles. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.